i-level up ang ating immune system. Good thing meron tayong mga household ingredients na pwedeng gamitin to make our own immune booster drinks. At yan ang i-share ko sa inyo ngayon, mga Mars, mga Pars.
Sana ba itong iniinom mo, Kuya Kim? Sige
Ang
nga.
tawag dito ay
Isiwalat mo na
lemon,
itong
honey,
sikreto mo,
ginger, immune booster drink.
Love it. Okay.
Okay,
Now, bakit lemon honey? First of all, honey kasi, alam niyo ba ang honey hindi napapanis?
Yes.
Alam niyo kung bakit hindi napapanis? Because it's antibacterial and it has antiviral properties. So, kaya honey. At bakit naman lemon? Lemon kasi is very rich in vitamin C.
Yes.
At talagang kalaban ng pampalakas ng immune system natin is vitamin C.
Yes.
So the first thing we do is we slice the lemon in little
Yes.
slices like this and then we cut it in half.
Okay.
So naka-prepare na siya actually. Alam niyo ba na ang lemon is actually alkaline?
Yes.
So people think that it's acidic eh. I don't want lemon because it's acidic. No, it's not. It's anti-acidic, it's alkaline. Lalo na
It
in the
only
morning.
becomes acid if you mix it with something else. Pero acid is alkaline yan.
So we start with putting lemon here. Put some lemon there.
Huwag magtipid. Vitamin
Depende.
C.
Oh, mas marami, mas maganda. At lalagyan natin ng honey ang kalahati nitong bote.
Okay. Maybe this one, Kuya. Mas sukat.
Ito, kalahati.
Yan.
Really?
So magugulat kayo sa honey. Pag napanis ang honey, ibig sabihin fake yung honey. So, ang honey kahit na hindi mo i-refrigerate, hindi yan mapapanis kahit kailan. Kahit i-double dip mo yan, okay na.
Okay.
Kulang pa. Dapat yan 1/2 eh. 1/2 na bottle dapat eh.
Okay.
Tignan pa natin.
Oops. Nakita mo ba yung future mo doon?
Okay.
Kaya hindi mo tatinalo.
Oo,
nakita niyang tatapon, Mars.
Ayun.
Nakiaking.
And then, the next ingredient that's very important also is
Turmeric.
turmeric.
Okay.
Why is turmeric important? Turmeric has a component called curcumin. And curcumin is an anti-inflammatory vitamin.
Yes.
So, maganda ito para sa sa arthritis,
Okay.
para sa muscle ache, muscle pain. And of course, it's also very rich in vitamin C. So, i-coat natin ng turmeric. Yung
Ito, Kuya, I have a tablespoon for you.
Thank you so much. Galing mo talaga, Cams.
Yung mga gout pwede din.
Wow.
Gout,
Yan.
yan. Konti lang. Yan.
Two.
Yung dilaw.
Okay.
So, turmeric. Yan. And then after that, then we add on a little bit more of
The lemon.
Of the lemon.
More lemon, mas happy.
a few more pieces. Ang ginagawa natin yung pinaka-base, base mix.
Okay.
Para sa drink na iinumin natin lahat. No?
Pinaka-concentrate, ganon,
Pinaka-concentrate.
Kuya.
Then I
Okay.
put a little bit of water. Maybe hot water or lukewarm water. Pwede na.
Okay.
Put a little space dun sa ibabaw kasi hahanin mo yan. And then, we either shake it
Yes.
or we can mix it like this. Ito na ang
Ayun na.
pinaka... Magugulat kayo sa sarap nito, sobra. So we use this now, and we put this here. Yan!
Okay.
Okay, now we have our immune drink.
Okay.
Wow.
Mars Camps, put some ice and put some water.
Ang tatawid.
Okay, so Kuya
Exactly
Kim,
yan.
you can either store it.
You can store it in this little container. As I said, hindi naman napapanis.
Yes.
Put it in the refrigerator. And then, lagay mo sa baso, pakunti-kunti, with some water. Or kung may mga guest ka at ang barkada mo, ipupunta sa
Yun.
bahay mo, ilagay mo sa isang pitcher.
Ito na lang ang ihanda mo for them para pag umalis sila sa inyo
Wala silang sakit.
at malakas sila.
Malakas sila.
Okay, mukhang okay na tong ice na
Okay,
to.
let's put in ice.
Go, Mars.
Some water. Yan! Enough na, and then you can mix it. Mars Camps, very good.
Uy.
Meron pa mga, mga nutrients sa ilalim. Yung turmeric kasi takes a while for it to be dissolved.
Yeah, so you continue mixing it.
Mixing it. Very good. Anong amoy?
Ooh, amoy turmeric. More than anything. Kaya
Now
exciting
we
at
are
exciting
ready to
tikman.
taste our honey lemon immune booster drink.
Okay. Alam mo tuloy ngayon,
Ano
sa
una?
pagkakaprepara ni
Tina.
Kuya, parang natatakot na rin
Kuya.
akong tikman, Mars.
Tingnan mo na, cheers!
Here. Alright,
Cheers,
okay.
cheers.
Lahat
Here
ng mga
we go.
ginagawa namin dito sa Mars Pamor, tinitikman namin at inuubos namin. Okay?
Isang
Cheers!
Cheers! Mars!
Cheers! Happy New Year!
Yes!
Happy New Year!
Mars.
Sarap.
It's actually good.
Yes, good. Refreshing. Medyo sa una lang, magugulat kayo kasi yung amoy ng turmeric.
Turmeric,
Very
Pungent
powerful.
very pungent.
But you can always just add more water.
Aftertaste.
Yeah,
Sarap.
it's actually very good. But more than tasting good, it's really good for our immune system.
And that's
That's the point.
Most important.